very proud of the Schiller and the way my kid is growing. Baba Aurora is fabulous. I've seen him growth and stepping up the ladder, and I'm definitely looking forward that he's like getting more learnings.
And one of my child, he's the eldest one, and he's studying in class 9. He has promoted to class 9. He is very good at study as well as in sports. Recently I came to know that the school has introduced some new technology which is based on the AI. I'm happy for the school, I'm happy for the children that they will learn the new technology.
And we are very satisfied since the beginning. We are happy with that technology offering.
I initially joined this school and it has so much science. But after joining school, it has so much change. I like sports, I like study.
In mind, apart from the educational curriculum, there are a lot of sports and cultural activities also. So the kids can have a wholesome kind of growing years when they are studying. It's not all about study. They can have a all-round development.
And I'm also very happy that the school are very good and very caring.